Hello at home, Snapshot Scientists. We hope you're well and staying safe. Tessa and I are here to show you some cool experiments with magnets. I don't think you need us to tell you how cool magnetic force is, but I think you'll have fun working your scientific powers to learn more about it. Tessa, what are some things you think magnets will be attracted to?
Let's test it out.
But wait!
Warning: magnets can be harmful if swallowed, so keep them away from your mouth, younger siblings, and pets. They can also cause damage to electronic devices like cell phones or tablets, so don't test your magnet on those.
Experiment 1. Do magnets take sides? In other words, when two magnets are moved together, does it matter what sides of the magnets are touching, or will they stick to any of each other's sides?
Circle your hypothesis. Yes or no?
Even though magnetic force is invisible, you can see its shape in the way the iron powder collects around the magnet. Watch this magnet levitate in the field of the other one. If you have two magnets, give it a try. It may take some patience and persistence. You will need 3 small metal objects which can be pulled by the magnet you have. We will be using a washer, paperclip, and nut. We always measure something here at Snapshot Science, and today we'll be measuring with a centimeter ruler. We also measure mass with a digital scale. If you have the same objects, use these numbers. If not, it's okay to skip this step. But I think you'll have fun working your scientific powers to learn more about it. Tessa, what are some things you think magnets will be attracted to? And then she'll say, let's test it out. Let's test it out! But wait!